because this sort of weeds out the speculators and the folks who are sticking around and have stuck around through other crypto winners with multiple.
What's good, people?
Those were the ones who were building the next generation companies that ended up doing really well. So, obviously,
you don't know what it is. You don't know what it is. It's a problem. And I don't know. Or like I've been sitting today. I ain't on my phone. I ain't touch my phone. I ain't do shit. I ain't been on Instagram or anything. So, like I've been right here since 5 a.m. Then I went for a jog, came back, took a shower. If I took a shower, I have my exercises, daily exercises, and daily meditations. And after that, took a shower and I sat right here. So right now, I think I just took profit now. Trades didn't take profit. I took profit personally. So I went out. I went to my losses to go do my hair. You can see if that do-rag activity shit. Yes, sir. I don't fuck with putting on some do-rags and anything, but like, it's a do-rag. What we gonna do? So that's his ass, bro. Yo, bro. I think I just wanna share a few analysis, some type of shit. This is the NAS 1 hour chart, my favorite chart of all trading charts in the world for 1 hour. So where did price close on Friday? Somewhere here. Yes, sir. When we had a spike, we had this gap. Price didn't close a gap, it opened down. So we had price opening up here. This was our Asian low. And this was the pre-London high. This was double top. Price failed. We had a bearish candle close on the London session, which is 9 a.m. in Southern Africa. Some countries it's earlier, but mostly in the United States, if you're waking up to trade the London session, because it's probably like 2 a.m. at the time, I'll fuck with you. I for real fuck with you. Well, I basically trade the London and the New York. I've never traded the Asian session in my life, and I don't think I'm gonna trade it. I sleep. One thing about me is when I'm sleeping, I'm sleeping. When I wake up to work, I wake up to work. When I wake up to smoke, I wake up to smoke. When I wake up to jog, I wake up to jog. I base my things on what I say I want to do it. If I told myself that today I want to smoke 10 plants, I would make sure that I do smoke 10 plants. It would only depend on it would only depend on my mood, but I'm always doing what I always tell myself. So let's move. It's a London low, Asian low, pre-London high, double top, failed to go make those highs. Strong bearish candle close on our London session. That was my entry, bro. I just waited for this 1-8 candle because if we break it down, we had price breaking out of our intraday levels on the 15-minute chart. I want to show you something. It's price action at its best. At its best. So we had price obviously printing out a trend and a strong reaction from there. Price breaking out, no retest of prior off trend, and we have price moving to the upside during the London session. But we had a bearish engulfing candle, and this candlestick, which is a hammer or inverted hammer or whatever that you might call it. I saw it and I was like, nah, fuck that. This is just a fake signal. There's no buy here, but I just waited for what the 1 hour candle close, which we had, I think here. Yeah, here 9:45, 10 straight. I took a sell. I know many of y'all took a buy from that level. I know it. I know it. I took a sell from that level. I had my stop loss right there. Before me, I took profit way somewhere around there. Before me. So this was the first entry I took. And obviously, I took 2 trades after I took profit on that one, which I took profit now. Yeah. So let me do this. Yeah. So the minute price closed right there, I took a sell. Price moved to the upside, to the downside, broke a structural low, bro. It created the level right here. If you check, it's from Friday. This is the low from Friday London session. During the London session, or an hour inside the London session, I think, if I remember well. And price pushed to the upside, and obviously created a level, which it broke. You follow me? The minute price breaks a level, it prints out or it creates. Just know that, bro, the retest of the structure, it's a continuation to whatever direction price broke. If it broke to the downside, we continue to the downside. If it broke to the upside, just be glad and be ready to move to the upside. So we had our first entry, price retested that level, bearish candle close. Oh, oh, you know what it is. I took our entries and I went out and I left. I think price was still trading somewhere around here. And I was like, nah, I'm gonna be back. I went to do my hair and my doses. And when I came back, that's when price was trading right here. So basically to me, out holding before me. I want to hold. I have this 1-to-6 risk reward ratio, which I have before me, which I believe that, like, as long as price continues moving to the downside, the psychological level, 12,000, the 12,000 psychological level on NASDAQ, I believe, I'm not saying, I'm not really saying price will reverse from there, but I potentially believe that, like, there would be a stronger reaction than any other thing. Let me move to the 4H and show you what I finna mean, or what I'm talking about. You feel me? So we all know that, like, price has a support, which is trading at now. You feel me? This whole fucking level. I'm sorry about my profane language. This whole level right here, it's been a great support. It's been a great support, bro, which we're still using it when current market price, but we broke out. You feel me? We broke out of this level. You feel me? And from this break, it's a strong sell zone. When the price comes back to pull back, I still believe that, like, as long as it don't break inside that level, I'm still moving to the downside. So price broke a level currently right there. You feel me? This level on the 15-minute in 1H. It's a strong level even on the 4H. You feel me? So it broke. You follow me? So to me, basically, I'll be scalping more cells. I'm not looking to hold. Holding is, I love swinging trades, but I love swinging NASDAQ only when it's bullish. I remember there was a market crash last year, October. I think it's this one. From the minute price created a double top from this level, I bought NASDAQ till it made that new high, and I took profit right there. But from here, I lost most of the profits which I made, but it is what it is. You feel me? That's what I'm saying. The 12,000 psychological level, this level right here, I believe that, like, price will react in some way. So now I'm on the 1H. I'm strictly on the 1H. It's 2 p.m. now in Southern Africa. Let me remove trades that which I took. So we kind of like have a pin bar close now. So with this, I'm just going to take trades from the longest price respects that level. If we have a retest in smaller time frames, I don't give a fuck what they do, bro. As long as the 1H or the 4H goes for a retest, then we have a strong chance that price won't continue moving to the downside. So what does, to me, I'm only looking for what? A retest continuation to the downside, or simply for price to just do what? Break the lower low, lower high, continue to the downside. So that's it on the mess. I don't look to be fancy, or I'm not looking for so much confluence just to wear up on my trades before. So let's look at the gold. I believe that now gold, the thing is with gold, on my other trading accounts, I don't want to fund right now for me. I don't want to fund, but I believe gold will move strongly to the upside from this level. That's the 4H support. The phone, that's the 4H support right there. So gold, I saw on Sunday, yesterday when I was analyzing, I saw this flag and I just anticipated that like price going so in some way. What I love is that even though I don't have funds to trade on some pairs, because I prefer trading Nasdaq on the account which I'm trading on, not on so many brokers and stuff like that. I don't fuck with changing brokers before. So I didn't take this trade on my MT4, but this was just a clean trade. It was clean. It's a flag, breakout, continuation to the downside. Gold was just melting down. Gold is just melting down. But I believe that like where price is currently trading at, as long as it don't break it, it's a sell. US 30. US 30, I still see price being bearish. I don't know. Let me not say I don't know, but I just see price being bearish. At what point it will depend for me, but like price is just melting down. But all I can say is on US 30, don't look to take buys. US 30 is not bullish. US 30 ain't bullish. Yeah. To confirm the trade I took on Nasdaq, I saw this candle close on the German 30 1H, and I was like, this is a stronger confluence. I would add as correlation to that. This is an index, Nasdaq is an index. If the London session might be trading bearish, the German 30 and FTSE and all those CAC 40, whatever, all those pairs, if they trading bearish, they won't push other indices to trade bearish, like the NAS, the US 30, JSE, what else? Hang Seng, Nikkei 225. So I had a confluence on that. But literally, I saw this descending triangle yesterday when I was analyzing on Sunday. And I saw that like there might be more selling pressure than looking to be bullish before me, like it broke this structural low. I don't know. Some might say supply, demand, price was just waiting to come back to tap to this level to be bullish. Hey, nigga, get out of here. Get out of here. I personally don't believe in smart money concept. The blocks, liquidity. I personally don't. I feel like that's just being fancy on the market because I tried breaking down the order block, what. I don't know if it's the liquidity, if they say it's liquidity, that price came, created a low, spiked on it, and just instantly left. So you're just waiting for price to come back to grab liquidity or to fill up the gap in order to move to the upside. Get out of here. If price don't break, if price will move to the upside, that means that's clearly a stop loss. That's clearly a wrong trade, bro. That's a no-go. So yes, sir. So I saw price printing this level and spiking, coming back to spiking and leaving this level. And I was like, this is not a strong level to look at. It will just be a level to look at when doing what? Using current market price before me. So yeah, we out with the Dow, with the German 30 before me. If I try and add more confluence before me, price might trade from that level. It's a strong level right there. current market price, Asian low, pre-London high, pre-London low, double top, same shit as the NAS. So we're going to see. And please don't judge me, people, and say, hey, because Harlem says other blogs, this, that. It's my own opinion. I don't believe in such things, bro. Like, I don't believe in them personally. If price breaks a level, we clearly know we wait for a retest to continue to the upside. If it breaks and breaks in, then we accept the loss. We look to trade what the price is currently doing. Not to say, hey, price had this tap on price tapped the level and it left. Let's wait for price to grab liquidity to continue to the upside. It's trash. Get out of here. USD CAD. USD CAD. Yeah, on my last video on USD CAD. Fuck. USD CAD is the reason why I blew my account on gold. USD CAD. On NFP, this candlestick was my sell, that was my buy, but my account was small. Price just took me out and shot to the upside. That's what they say. It was grabbing liquidity to bring traders. Fuck that shit, nigga. Fuck that shit. Sometimes price is just taking you out because of funds and that's stable to maintain what's currently happening. I took those sells. The spread was high. It was NFP. It was okay. Spreads were high. It was a strong job report. What else? Manipulation, stop hunts, and all them type of things that I might add on it. So yeah. So with the USD CAD, this is a strong level to look at on the USD CAD from the daily time frame. It's a strong level to look at. So I was just saying, for H bear close, it's a sell. You feel me? It's this candle. Y'all can see it, the one I'm printing out. I was just waiting for the candle to close bearish and I'll be looking to take sales on the USD CAD, which I would personally be like, if price clearly pushed and it's correcting, it's breaking a low, there might be a pullback, and the break of those levels and the brick wall and the major trends and the retest is a strong sell trade. That's what I'm literally waiting for. So with the trade that I was saying, 4H candle, bear candle close, sell, it was basically to say, as soon as the 4H candle closes bearish, just know that like the bulls might be depleting in the charts and the bears might be kind of like kicking in. You feel me? So I would say look to take sales on the USD CAD today and maybe tomorrow, maybe for the rest of the week. Look at what the Tesla just did, bro. That's the pre-market, bro. Oh my God, bro. Harlem can trade, bro. Harlem can trade. Harlem can trade. Harlem can trade. So that's great. I ain't writing this shit for none. I'm great. I'm great, bro. So Tesla is just a sell. Can't explain any further. Y'all can see what I just had right there. I feel like the stocks and everything on indices and everything, they just want to hit record highs. If like on forex, the dollar's doing good. Like it's killing all the currency pairs. I feel like the dollar is looking to make those new highs before looking to make those looking to go make those lows. And pairs trading against the dollar trading against some pairs like Euro USD, Euro GBP USD, or all them type of pairs. I believe that like they wanna go hit those all-time lows before looking to go make those all-time highs. So on all stocks, that's what I believe in it. I believe that like stocks are just looking to go trade on those previous market lows before moving to the upside. That's why I'm pointing out the 12,000 psychological level on NAS. If you check the Tesla, it's close to the 12. It's close to it's previous market lows, bro. But this is the major market low which we had before me. But I'm looking at that level being the 4H support level, previous support level. So let's look at the Bitcoin. And with Bitcoin, I'm kind of like, man, bro, because like Bitcoin since Saturday, since Friday, Friday, I've been looking to take a sell from here. So if I had to take the sell and not close my trades, bro, I could have ran long fucking ways, bro. Like, but I also saw those sells right there, but I was looking for price to do what, to at least go trade from this previous market low, market highs, to test this lows, this highs before moving to the downside, which it didn't do. So even on Sunday, I just saw price just being bearish, bro. But like I saw a double top and I saw a double bottom, and I just got skeptical. Once price pulled back inside of that level, I just doubted everything. I was like, bro, this is just a correction. And I just thought of price being a correct thing before me, but I was wrong. I was wrong in some sense. Price just continued moving to the upside before me. To the downside, I mean the level right there. And even today, bro. Bitcoin is just moving to the downside and it's not retesting levels. It's breaking, bro, because it broke this level since on Friday. This level on the daily chart was strong. If I zoom and I zoom, it's a strong level from the daily chart. It hasn't pulled back or came for a retest reform. So I also believe that like Bitcoin, this is my level of buying Bitcoin. I'm not gonna take buys on Bitcoin from here. I don't care what they do, bro. I also believe Bitcoin will hit those market lows before me. What psychological level might it be on Bitcoin? Yeah, the 30,000 level right there. So Bitcoin, you can see it's clearly bearish. I can say much on it. Even on Ethereum, even on the coin. Oil just broke a previous market high, previous market resistance, looking to take those retests, it broke in again. So I can tip you all know, I can share and advise on what to do currently because it might spike back to the upside and shock you, and it might spike to the downside further and still shock us before. So yeah. Yeah, let's go back to the NAS. NAS, I won't say sell anytime, but let's just wait, bro. It's almost the London session. It's almost the New York session in Southern Africa, like 15:30, 9 a.m. in Southern Africa in the New York stock, in the USA. So let's just be more patient and let's wait on that you for me. So yes, sir. And for part 7, guys, I think we're running at 301 now. I haven't no there's no withdrawal, man, like shit like that, you feel me? If we remember very well, guys, like if we remember very well, starting on part 1, you were right there. And I had a deposit of how much? $40. You feel me? So we took trades, we took trades, we took trades, we took trades, we took trades until I think we lost it. And we came back and I was like, yeah, I think I was left with like 11 rands. And I was like, I'm gonna add 39 rands to make it $50. And we're taking $50 all the way to what, to 500 rand or 1,000 rand. You feel me? So we've been trading, no withdrawal, none like that. You feel me? So now we're currently running at 301 rands. So basically we have an initial deposit of how much. We started off with 30 plus 40. Yeah, nah, 30 plus 39. 30 plus 39, which is 69 rand. So 3 minus 69, 232. We're currently trading with about 232 rands from deposit of 69 rands. So that's great. That's great news. We like 20% now to our first target, which is 500 rand. Continuing with it, it will be 300 rand, 1,000 rand. So from 1,000, we take how much? 5, we withdraw 5, and we take 500 rands all the way to 2K now. 2K, we withdraw 1,000 rands, we take 1,000 to 3K. 3K, we withdraw 1.5, take 1.5 to 4K. Like that. I guess you're like, I hope you can feel how I'm gonna grow this account. So yes, sir. We all know what it is. If NAS breaks the printed low, if it breaks, yeah, come back for a retest, then just know it will move the way Bitcoin is moving, but in a different time frame. So just be on the lookout. And now starts kind of like, wait, if the Tesla just did what it just did, bro, we read, bro, like 2%, like 3%, 3%, 4%. Tesla's done like 4%, bro. The lowest of them all, bro. It's a lagger, bro. It's lagging, bro. It's lagging, bro. It's lagging. So it's your boy once again, and I think I might make some food. I think I might make some food now after smoke a blunt and trade the London session and trade the New York session. So it's your boy once again, and we all know what it is. If you ain't trading with London, what else could it be, bro? And yes, sir. I think I might sign out. But I feel like part 4, part 7 gonna be this week. I'm not telling you when, but it's gonna be this week, bro. I'm still learning on editing. I won't edit the videos, like literally edit the videos, because like I feel like when you edit videos, maybe you're looking to take a trade and it take you like 2 hours without finding a trading opportunity. We don't know what you've been doing the whole of the 2 hours. For me, I'm not judging anyone, but we don't know what you've been doing the whole of those 2 hours from the phone. So to me, if I'm trading, I'm looking to take a trade and I'm live, and if maybe like for instance, like I'm live now and I'm looking to take a sell and price don't retest the level it broke, then I won't post it. I'll just leave it as is for me. But if I do retest the level, then I'll take a trade and I'll share my trading analysis and my plan. That if though I take an L, you can see and understand what was literally going on. So it's your boy once again, Young Harlem, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the other side, like I always do. So peace and love at all times, broke, peace and love at all times.